Year number 235878, February 26, 2020. The petitioner is the Busan Universal Rail Inc. and the respondent is the Department of Transportation Metro Rail Transit 3. Many of that, they entered into contract signing, including the Department of Transportation and Communicating, or the DOTC, MRT3 system maintenance provider. Then the MRT3 contract has broken down into 4 packages. They had different kinds of packages they give. Then there has a problem that the bureau is giving the billing, then the respondent is paid it, but after later on the user Chavez of the railways wanted to give the additional supporting documents and directed with the holding of certain amounts. But the petitioner clarified that the bill is still not settled. Then they are disagree to each other. They have disagree to each other. There's dispute. Then after that, they wanted a mutual consultation. Then petitioner notified for that the respondent its intention to commence arbitration proceeding. Thereafter, petitioner sent to respondent the notice of arbitration formally demanding arbitration. Then, petitioner submitted before the RTC a petition for the issuance of interim measures of protection with payer for the issuance of a temporary order of protection under the special ADR rules, essentially seeking to maintain the status quo and enjoin respondent from terminating the MRT3 contract. Then, after that, after a long disagreement for them, the RTC denied the petition. It noted the manifestation of petitioner's lawyer that the case had already been referred to the Philippine Dispute Resolution Center (INC) for the arbitration. Then to give the what they really wanted. Then the RTC denied petitioner for the omnibus motion, citing in the Republic Act number of 8975. But the RTC has no jurisdiction over the petition because the issues raised in the petition are arbitrable.
Issue at hand in the case of Busan Universal Rail Inc. versus the Department of Transportation Metro Rail Transit 3 is that whether or not the RTC has jurisdiction in issuance of interim measures of protection against the respondent in light of the arbitration clause in the MR33 contract. However, petitioner argues that the RTC has authority to issue interim measures of protection in cases involving disputes that are proper for arbitration by virtue of RA 9184. The prohibitory provision under Section 3D of RA 8975 is not applicable in as much as the arbitration. Arbitration clause is contained in the GCC, which is an integral part of the MRT3 contract and is anchored on RA 9184.
So the MRT3 contract explicitly mandate that any and all dispute arising therefrom shall be settled through arbitration proceedings governed by RA 9285. RA 9285, on the other hand, provide for the remedy of interim protection that may be obtained by a party either from the courts or the arbitral tribunal upon the latter's constitution.